Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Ethereum truly is exchanging at $1,958.77 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0.3% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. ETH basically has a complete market cap of $235,892,628,837 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,030,118,209. Incredibly, this especially makes Ethereum truly positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, which really is genuinely huge. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Ethereum cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Ethereum sort of be by and large worth in 2023 in a fundamentally enormous manner? Is Ethereum a for the most part wise venture or certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Will ETH value sort of outperform its unsurpassed especially high and in every practical sense huge way? These are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum value forecast 2023 in a quite large way. As per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the ETH cost truly is supposed to for the most part cross a fundamentally normal value level of $2,545.11. The normal really least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to essentially be $2,447.53, or so they essentially thought. Besides, ETH can in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme value level of $2,928.49. All things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking, ETH value figure April 2023. The Ethereum gauge for April 2023 expects that the ETH might arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $2,107.65 with a genuinely least cost of around $1,873.47. Discussing the truly normal value, ETH can generally stretch around $2,049.10 for April, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum value estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Ethereum could sort of stretch around $2,189.61, or so they truly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in May 2023 for the most part is $2,033.49 with an extremely normal cost of $2,131.07, or so they generally thought. Ethereum value gauge June 2023. The very normal cost of Ethereum could go to $2,216.31 toward the finish of June 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. ETH could by and large be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $2,274.86 with the really least expected cost of $2,118.73, which sort of is very critical. Ethereum value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the especially greatest cost for Ethereum could stretch around $2,385.67, which really is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ETH in July 2023 truly is $2,182.58 with a sort of typical cost of $2,260.64, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum in a real sense is supposed to for the most part be at around at least $2,208.27. Ethereum cost can by and large arrive at a genuinely limit of $2,498.70 with the typical cost of $2,305.85 in USD. Beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. ETH value figure September 2023. The Ethereum conjecture for September 2023 expects that the ETH may generally arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $2,614 with a base cost of around $2,296.96. By and large, further appearance how ETH could in a real sense exchange around an exceptionally most extreme worth of $2,274.86 with the truly least expected cost of $2,118.73. Really in spite of mainstream thinking. Discussing the exceptionally normal value, ETH can sort of stretch around $2,375.02 for September in a genuinely significant manner. Ethereum value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Ethereum cost generally is gauged to arrive at an in every way that really matters most reduced cost of $2,344.46 in a kind of significant manner. The ETH cost could sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $2,732.75, with the very normal expected cost around $2,422.53, an especially enormous manner. Ethereum value estimate November 2023. The Ethereum cost for November 2023 may arrive at in every practical sense least worth of $2,373.40, while the extremely greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $2,829.65 in a truly significant manner. The very normal cost for ETH generally will be for the most part anticipated to really reach $2,470.98 in November 2023, which in every practical sense is very critical. Ethereum value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for Ethereum could fundamentally stretch around $2,928.49. Besides, the minimum cost of ETH in December 2023 fundamentally is $2,447.53, with an especially normal cost of $2,545.11, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum fundamentally passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been in a real sense diminished by 1.4% in its by and large current worth, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Assuming we truly analyze the kind of current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap basically is additionally down. Ethereum generally is confronting a for the most part difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, showing how besides, the minimum cost of ETH in July 2023 really is $2,182.58, with an exceptionally normal cost of $2,260.64. The ETH is down to nearly 1.51% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, which in a real sense is very huge. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for truly past essentially couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for exceptionally, however. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in especially present moment, or so they thought. In any case, after the contrasting the especially current cost and genuinely beyond 30 days cost history, it essentially is seen that Ethereum in a real sense has expanded 15.904% in its worth, which most certainly is very huge. The genuinely normal truly least cost for the month for the most part is $1,598.81, while by and large greatest genuinely normal cost was $1,647.24, or so they in a real sense thought. This suggests that this coin truly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to actually your arrangement of coins for especially long haul, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change most certainly is around 38.78%, and the cost circled from a really least truly normal cost of $1,182.25 to fundamentally greatest extremely normal cost of $1,201.51 in the beyond 90 days. In especially most recent 4 months, Ethereum generally has shown a developing pattern. Especially further appearance how Ethereum value figure June 2023, the normal cost of Ethereum could really go to $2,216.31 toward the finish of June 2023. Hence, we truly feel that comparable pieces